Hey, what is up everyone, Falcon here, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create a thread kind of effect in Photoshop CC 2019. So here's a photo. I'll give the link in the description. And for making this image into threads like image, what you have to do is first create a copy of the image, then go to the filters and click on pixelate, and you have to select this mezzotint effect, use coarse dots and press OK. It's gonna be something like this, and it even depends on the image that how will the thread look. So now just make it a smart object so that we can just take a check on the effects. Now you have to go to blur and go to radial blur and make the amount to 100, blur method to zoom, and leave the quality good. Press OK, and it'll create this kind of effect for you. I like to do it like 3 to 4 times to get a good nice effect. And so this is gonna be the last time. You can already see it has started to take shape. Now you have to go again to filter, then distort, and get twirl effect. I'll keep the angle on 100 and press OK. You can see it doesn't look like threads at all. Now press this button right over here to change the blending mode. And as soon as it opens, you have to change the blending mode to lighten. You can see it has got the nice effect. Now we'll be repeating the twirl effect, and this time instead of 100 degrees it'll be negative 100. Hit OK. You can see it has nice shape, but we'll be doing the same with the negative 100 effect and making it to lighten. So it totally depends on the picture you take that how will the effect look. Let's make the blending mode to lighten. Hit OK, and you can see this nice little effect. Now I'll be just closing the smart filters, and we'll be going to levels and make the contrast a bit high. Alright, this much is enough. You can see the difference right away. Now let's go and get a color balance layer. We'll be starting off with the midtones, and we'll be making the midtones magenta-ish. I'm just choosing random numbers. You can see what's best for your image. Now let's go to shadows, make a magenta tone. Alright, now going on to the highlights over here, let's get the same magenta tone over here. You can see it made a lot of difference. We have completely changed the color. So that's how you do it. It was a quick 5-minute tutorial, and you can see the before and after. Here's the before and here is the after. You can see that there's a lot of difference. We made this image into threads. This, it actually, you can use it like a background of an image or something like that. So that depends on your creativity. So that was today's video, guys. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below, and peace out.